What are some examples you have seen of people who didn't get it right and who may have realized it too late, perhaps?
I had quite a few of those, when people want to leave their money and their stuff to their kids. I'll never forget one of the last cases I worked with. It's a guy, every 6 odd months, he wants to change his trust deed and his will and so on. And eventually I asked him, why don't we get the family around the table? Because it's always a wonderful way of sorting this out for once and for all. And then the daughter will say, Dad, I don't want to farm on your farm, the family farm. And Paul, I want to do something else with my life. And then they're angry with each other and then it's over. And they decide what to leave to whoever wants what. And I suggested that to the guy and he said, no, sorry, we won't be able to do that. And I asked him why. Why can't we just get everyone together? He said, they never want to see me again. The last time I've seen one of my kids is 10 years ago. They don't want to talk to me. I asked him why. And he thought about it. It's probably because of what I've done to them and their mother. So he sits with all these jewels he wants to dish out at the end of his life now. In other words, he cracked the one wing of the plane, the success one. And here's my stuff now, who wants it? I just never want to see you again.
That's heartbreaking.
It is, I've seen many of those cases. And I pity those people actually. At heart, they're not bad people. They're just unskilled in the other side of life. What do you do to be a good dad? While you do all these difficult things and your family is thankful that you try so hard, what's the composition of a good father and a mother?